We are smoking in the quarterfinals pack. Hold that. If you can't relate, I don't want to hear you chat. I can't. If you can't relate, I don't want to hear no chat. We're in the quarterfinals. Oh, we're smoking that Brighton Munich pack. Hold that. Another club that just needs to be fucked off and relegated. Absolute waste of time, that football club. All they do is just sell everyone to Chelsea. They should have been 3-0 up in the first half. Couldn't finish a wank. Ain't my fault, bruv. Ain't my fault. But we're in the next round. We've got Crystal Palace. The Eze Derby is back again. The Eddie Nketiah Derby is back again. The Sambi Lakonga Derby is back again. The Rob Holding Derby is back again. The Kenny Sampson Derby is back again. The Ian Wright Derby is back again. Smash the like button. Sub to Lee Reacts. Link in the title. Bosh. I'll be live on Lee Reacts tomorrow watching Mahrez FC playing against Al Riyadh. We will be there. My manager, Matthias Giselle. If you don't know who he is, you're not as slick as me, brother. It's not my fault. But I don't know ball. What I do know is what I witnessed in that first half is life without Declan. Life without Gabby. Life without Timber. And life without Zubi. You want to make sure these four stay fit this season. You want to make sure the real talk, everyone getting carried away and getting giddy. And fantastic. We're doing well. We've lost one game this season. One game. I mean, I don't know how I'm going to pay my rent, guys. I mean, I need a loss, right? I'll profit off of losses. All right, make sure you hype the video. Yeah, make sure you hype the video. Hype the video. Hype the video, guys. Like the video, hype the video. And I'll be live after Kenny Ken's fan cam. It's only me and Kenny tonight. Matt is working. Jez has got an early start. But let's start from the beginning. I got duped. A little bit like this manager when he was 8 points clear. Cheers, guys. However, Google was having a biblical stinker and hooked. And I got duped because it didn't show me the starting 11. It showed me the bench, which I thought was the starting 11. And I was like, yo, he's gone strong. Save the cups. Save the League Cup. And do you know what's crazy? Is when I actually found out the starting 11, I was like, boy, I don't know who the lad up front is. Yeah, big up to him. Yeah, I think he came off injured. And listen, bless up to you, mate. You probably should have scored. Saka tapped it in. Fair play. You run your nuts off. You put your nuts on the table, as Kenny Ken would say. But Damon was our best player. Comfortably. But he's doubled and trebled up on... He's doubled and trebled up on nobody cares, brother. Nobody cares. Doubled and trebled up on. Who cares, bruv? I'll take you all on. I was seething when he got subbed. But let's go back to the start. Kepa in goal. Listen, bless up to you, mate. Yeah, because that defense and midfield absolutely, yeah, got ran through like Bonnie Blue and Lily Phillips in the first half. Fair play. If my baller Welbs had been playing, we probably would have been 2-0 down at half time. So let's not pretend that first half never happened and be slick after the event. We ain't doing that here, bruv. Yeah, this is the home of the truth. Yeah, this is the voice of facts. That first half was a disgracia. Disgrace. Sorry, that don't mean disgrace in Spanish. Obviously, I'll take a bus case on that. Sorry, my bad. But anyway. Kepa, well done. I think he got man of the match. And listen, I'm not against him getting man of the match because let's be real. Yeah, he was actually good. He was catching the ball with the long shots like outside the box. Yeah, he claimed the crosses. Yeah, I actually thought he was pretty good today. Even his passing was decent. Yeah, let's go to Miles Lewis-Skelly. First half, you were awful, brother. Second half, you got better. Bears. Let's go to the right side. Benjamin White. He likes to be called Benjamin, just in case you don't know, because again, you're not slick like me, bruv. So Benjamin White, again, first half, where were you? Okay, cool. However, again, got better. Minutes in the tank. Cool. The centre backs. Hincapia made a great block in that second half and then got subbed. But again, where were you, brother, in that first half? All of them got better in the second half, but the bar was on its ass. Yeah, it was literally twerking, bruv. Yeah, just run through us. Okay, cool. Mosquera was the best defender on the pitch tonight. Well done to you, mate. Apart from one bozo moment where you dallied on the ball, divering, lollygaggling, fumbling and bumbling, which should have led to a goal, by the way, but didn't. Apart from that, I thought he was quality tonight. Yeah, same as Kepa. Kepa, I thought was quality tonight. Let's go into midfield. Oh, dear God. No guard. No guard. NordVPN. Excuse me? Is this life without Declan and Zubi? Because if it is, yeah, you lot need to calm the hell down, innit? It's great that we're doing bits right now. It's great that Liverpool are in the mud. It's great with Tottenham in the mud. Cool, fantastic. Let's all laugh at all these other teams that won trophies recently. Fantastic. Because all singing, all dancing Arsenal are fantastic. But he's a sensible signing. Sensible. Did he leave his brain at home tonight? Bruv, what are we with? Oh, but he hasn't played so much. He hasn't played. Get out of him, man. He was rubbish. Worst player on the pitch. Anyways, let's move on. Mikel Merino. Oh, dear. But he did a back heel. The pre-cum assist. The pre-cum assist, what? Let's not pretend this guy's a midfielder. The guy's... Bruv, this guy is stiffer than Danny D on a fucking Pornhub video. What are we actually doing here? But he got a back heel and Skelly passed it and Ethan scored. Right, cool. Let's go on to Ethan. Yeah. The goal mask is dead performance tonight. Rubbish. Carry on. It didn't all work out, guys. It didn't all work out tonight for a man like Eze, bruv. It didn't all work out. It didn't all work out, guys. Sorry to break your hearts. It didn't. Let's move on. Max Dowman. Take a boo, son. Take a boo. What a fucking footballer. What a player, bro. This guy is so techie. It is crazy. Left foot, right foot. Upper body strength. My daughter's older than him. She's 16 next month. My daughter's about 6 weeks older than him. This boy's playing for Arsenal Football Club, and he was easily our best player. I don't want to hear nothing. The IQ, the touch, the upper body strength, the little cute little passes, take a touch and round the corner. Holding the ball up, dribbling past people, dropping a shoulder. Yeah. You can't teach that, man. You're either mad talented and techie or you're not. Yeah. He's unbelievable. I was seething when that guy got subbed. Why did we bring Saka on? We'll get to that in a sec. Oh, he finished the game. He's a finisher now, is he? Okay, cool, bro. Whatever. Let's go to the lad up front. Yeah, Anus. Run and run and run. Why are you running? Why? Because he's trying to get involved, and bless up to him. Yeah, bless up to that guy. Yeah, listen, I'm not knocking the fact that he played tonight. Yeah, I've never seen the guy. I've never seen the guy play football before. I don't watch the academy team. I don't watch all of that. Fair play. Yeah, he very nearly scored. On another day, he's probably sitting there right now, probably thinking, I should have chipped the goalkeeper. Instead, it didn't matter because Saka buried the chance afterwards. But again, lack of service. Didn't really get a great deal of service to him, did he? Oh, hello, just to let you know, that's Arsenal's Achilles heel. Anyway, but fair play to him. Listen, good luck to you, mate. I hope you have a great career. Let's go to the subs. Bukayo Saka put in 2 great corners. Yeah, very good deliveries. And that's something that Saka's been slacking on recently. He got the decisive goal, should I say. Yeah. But again, why is he on the pitch? Why is he on the pitch? Because Saka's got 3 goals in his last 20 league appearances. Maybe that's why we put him on the pitch. He's got no assists in his last 20 appearances. Last time Bukayo Saka got an assist in the Premier League was the 30th of November 2024. He got 3 in one game against West Ham in a 5-2 win. Almost like I told everyone that we're getting giddy last season. Oh, but he scored against Fulham off the bench after injury. He scored against Real Madrid. What you saying now, Guns? What you saying now? What you saying now? Cool. I said, what I'm saying now is watch next season. And this season, he has been well off the pace. Yeah, he's been good in little bursts at times. And fair play, he killed the game off. And good luck to him. He got his 100 grand bonus this week. Fair play to you, brother. Yeah, I'm not knocking him. Yeah. Bro, Timber. Proof again. Life without Timber is Benny Blanco, bruv. Yeah. That run was crazy. That run was crazy, by the way. Yeah. The upper body strength, yeah. To just body, man. Yeah. And just move on. Yeah. Like it was nothing. Fair play to Timber. Yeah. But you know what you're getting from Timber? He's a top player. Gabby Magalhaes. Well, we know what we're getting from Gabby. You know what you're getting from Gabby. He's one of the best centre-backs in the world and has been for the last 18 months. 2 years, maybe. Fair play to him again. Fair play to him again. But again, why is he on the pitch? Why didn't we just let him? Oh, but we need to manage the load. We need to manage the minutes. Whatever, mate. Cool. Let's go. Declan Rice. You know what you're getting from Declan. Good corner routine. Run his bollocks off. So on and so forth. Probably should have had a shot. Yeah, there was a ball that come across to him and he should have probably just hit it. Instead, he passed it back out to the wing to Eze, I think it was, before he got subbed. But is what it is. And Trossard. Fair play. Whatever. You had a shot. Yeah, deflected at the post. That's it. All in all, we're in the next round. So overall, I'm happy because do you know what? Yeah, despite people sitting there going, "Oh, this is very negative." No, that is a proper breakdown of what I witnessed tonight. Yeah, on another night, which weren't tonight, Brighton are 3-0 up at our ground at half time. If Danny Welbeck starts that game, he rounds the goalkeeper, bang, goal. Yeah, they should have scored 2 or 3 goals. But guess what? The team that wins the football match, regardless, always is the team that deserves to win the football match. Yeah, I'm just looking. They had 17 shots. We had 13. Guess what, mate? You didn't score. We did. So we were more clinical. Yeah, it's a fair play. We're in the next round. And I've wanted to win this. I've seen Arsenal win both the times we've won this League Cup because I'm an old man. 44 next year. I've seen Arsenal win in 87, the League Cup. I've seen Arsenal win the Cup again in a Cup double season. Oh, by the way, we finished 10th that season. Nobody cared. Yeah, we won 2 cups. And I've seen Arsenal win in 93, the Cup double, including this. The 2 League Cups Arsenal have ever won, I've been old enough and lucky enough to have witnessed it. I want to win this cup. We've got Crystal Palace next. That ain't easy. Yeah, but at the same time, after the event, everyone's slick. The amount of people that are in my comment section saying I can't find the game. I don't have a stream for the game. I ain't got it on TV. It's not on this. It's not on that. So let's not pretend that 99.99% of you people were watching the game. You weren't. You've seen Sofa's score. You've seen the score and gone, yeah, great performance. That first half was disgusting. The worst I've seen all season. Yeah, we changed 10 of the 11. Only Eze started from the weekend. Second half, we got better, but it was still crap. However, we were just better than them on the day. And that's what it's about. It's a knockout competition. Now be better than Palace. Play Burnley at the weekend and F them as well. Yeah, play Burnley at the weekend. I want to see a proper performance. Yeah, but RIP to the cups this season. I swear, if he fucking bottles these cups this season, I am going to receive. Yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, we go all the way to Wembley. Because you know what? Yeah, do you know what? You want to know something? You want to know something? It's been way too long without a trophy. So all this majors and all of this, and Top Gooners, if we had got knocked out tonight, would have gone, We don't need that dusty energy drink cup. And proper fucking Arsenal fans, yeah, would have sat there and been seething. We've lost another cup game. However, he didn't. He got over the line, and fair play to him. So big up Super Duper Mick. Fair play for starting that striker, by the way. Yeah, fair play to you for that. However, halftime sub should have been shoot. Norgard, bruv, sensible signing. Whatever. Yeah, Kenny Ken next. Make sure you sub to the channel. Sub to Lee Reacts. I'm doing the Al Ali Al Riyadh game tomorrow. I might do a game after that as well. There's some other games going on after that. I'll obviously be back on here tomorrow as well. All in the evening time. So keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm out. But all in all, we're in the next round, and that's all that fucking matters tonight. But let's not pretend that that was a great performance. And that is life without Declan Rice and Zubimendi in midfield. So brace yourselves, guys. Fingers crossed they stay fit and healthy. We're out.